Alright, so these two boxes got delivered today. In these boxes is my new exhaust system. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it just to show you guys what's inside. You can tell by the name what it might be. I pre-ordered this in October of 2021 before the car came out. Alright, inside these boxes is a lot of peanuts. I'm gonna dig everything out and then unwrap everything, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. This box just like this box as well. This is gonna be messy. So I unboxed the first box right there. Looks like this is the axle back. Those are the two mufflers, exhaust tips. And let's see what's in this box. Alright, in this box I got the remote control valve system, plumbing and wiring harness. I want this to be able to control the valve, the exhaust tone. This looks like the solenoid. Instructions. Got fuse. Again, wiring harness, and then what's this? The module and two remotes. Open. These buttons do the same thing, I guess. Looks like these are the same and these are the same. There's two of them. GtHaus on the controller as well. I got keychain thingies. So let me open that other box. Here is the exhaust unwrapped, first layer. Here's the aftermath. Here's some more of the aftermath, as well as all that. So it's still wrapped in this pink bubble wrap. I was trying to preserve it, so it took a while to undo it without cutting into this one. and scratching it as well. So let me unwrap this and then lay it all out, and then I'll wrap it all back up after. Okay, finally have it all fully unwrapped and unboxed, I guess you could say. Quality of these pieces are nice. There goes the valve right there. You got the Meisterschaft logo right there. Meisterschaft logos on all the tips as well. Check out those welds. There's a flange. Here's a look at one of the flanges. It didn't look like the supply gaskets, and I figured that out. Oh, 2 plugs. These are the 2 mid-pipe pieces, X pipe and the extensions. Here's one last look of all the pieces laid out, and boy am I tired.